All right, I got an interesting plan for NVDA. In my last update, I talked about the negative facts about NVDA, but this stock here, people, has a chance to bounce. And so, in case it can confirm, this is a double plan. So if the negativity is real, it'll confirm. And I'm going to talk about the two entry points, the way I would enter one way or the other. And so this is a double plan. Either it's a put or a call. And the call, is a good chance they want to bounce this first before anything. This reason is the stock is in a chop zone, and the chop zone is large, about 100 to 115. So these targets that I'm talking about are very, very possible of what I'm looking at, especially the way they held their gains today. The way the way this was trading. I mean, what happened was the market caused the weakness in this comeback. At the same time, what it's created is very low risk entry on either direction. It's very nice what happened today. So let's go with the plan, people. Again, listen to every word I say in my videos, or else the problem is yours, right? So NVDA is set up to test 90 to 88 if it can confirm the down signal. But at the same time, it can bounce to test 108 to 110 inside of the chop zone, like I've been explaining. So there's these two areas that can happen. They can go right back to the 108 to 110 area. Very highly likely they can do that. Okay. Again, confirmation is key. And we're going to be talking about the options as well, right? So for the upside, the April 21 105 calls could be used. For the downside, the April 21 95 puts could be used. To confirm the downside, NVDA needs to crack below 99 on some good action volume. All right? So now, if this doesn't have good action volume, now good action volume for this is the same as the thing. It's about 3 million. Right? We want a lot of volume as we crack below 99. And if the volume isn't there, then it needs to base below 99 and look for power towards 98. This thing also needs to show some sort of power to the downside, because it's been showing a lot of support as well. It's one of those tricky things, so it's not an easy short, but it's an easier bounce play in my opinion. So the short, we need a lot of power to the downside, a lot of price consolidation. Okay, so neither the volume comes in or strong price action comes in for the downside. Now let's talk about the upside. So NVIDIA, to confirm the upside, NVDA needs to break above 102.75 on some good action volume. Same thing, 3 million. We want to see some power, okay? And if not, you look for basing above 102.75 and look for power towards 103.50 to 104. Right? Because power is what this needs to show here. That's one thing I can tell you. For this to work, for this bounce play to work, we need some good power. Okay, and there's a good chance that they're going to go and test 108 to 110. So let's go take a look at the options, people. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and NVDA closed at $100.03. Okay. And so here's the April 21, 2017, right? We're going to look at the 105 calls. Now look at this. So a lot of good trading happening in this, very tight spreads. And you can see there's a lot of open interest in this as well. So these are trading really well, and so are the 100. So the 105s are good to use. And again, these would make about, on an attempt to 108, which this can go very quickly, especially now that the market's pulled back, there's a good snapback possibility. And the market's very, very choppy. Okay, we're in a bullish chop zone, and there's going to be wild swings in the market. So this is part of the game. There's some stocks. It's a stock pickers market. Some stocks will go down, some stocks will go up. It's a stock pickers market. I can tell you that. So you can make money both ways. So anyways, the 105 calls could be used, and so they're trading right now at 86 cents for a reference point. Now let's go take a look at the puts now, in case we confirm, right? So now if we go to the 95 puts, which is over here, they're the same price roughly. Same open interest is less here, Okay, and less trading is happening in the puts. It's an interesting thing is there's less trading happening in the puts. So here's a 95 puts, right, that I was talking about in my prior plan, and in this plan here, 95 puts over here. And then if we go to the 105 calls, we have more. It's the opposite, okay, of the trade. So you've got the 105 to the 95, because this is the opposite. There's about a 5 points between the two, okay? Because we're at the center point, 100, right? So we're going to use so at the center point is 100, right? So we got the 105 calls. So if we compare the center point right now, the calls are more in favor, and there are signals that this could bounce. Okay, key is confirmation, people. All right, people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe, as I post a lot of great plans. And you know, so I suggest I'm going to post this video here where I speak to you about what I'm about and the plans and the importance of studying and confirmation, all that stuff. You want to understand what you're doing, and these are documented plans of making money. My last great trade in Tesla, while some people blabbed their mouth, you know, made 300% gains in one day right over here. This is a great video to see as well. So there you have it, people, a great update. See the Sandro Power Trigger Trade? You see, once you see it appear here in a circle format, simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. It's a great place for all the links to see my my great information over here, to see my banner of great of great positive information, and my links to my website and my Twitter, Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. So there you have it, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.